Go ahead with number 1. Give me a 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Within the United States, about 10,000 patients are injured through fireworks and fires that result as a use of fireworks. Of those numbers, half of the patients that come in do so within the first week of July.
The setting off of fireworks around any building is illegal. If you're within 150 feet of a building within the city of Pittsburgh, you're not allowed to use any type of fireworks at all.
The M80s, the silver salutes, the cherry bombs are considered forbidden explosives. That's the difference. Those are explosives. They're not consumer fireworks, so you cannot use those legally.
So the American Burn Association recommends that no fireworks be considered safe and that all fireworks be left up to professionals.
Our little demonstration is to show the destructive force of these and how dangerous they could be. That's what you get when you buy something out of the back of somebody's trunk who's been making it down in their basement all summer long. So we're going to move on to the next one.
3, 2, 1.
So a watermelon's mostly comprised of water, so are we. So imagine that in your hand or even you standing close by to that. You're going to get serious bodily injury and possibly death for messing around with some of these. So that's why we advise, don't buy them, don't play with them, don't mess with them.